Howdy everybody, YCG back with another video. Today's video we're going to be doing a little review on the Z1000. I haven't done like a proper ride or review, so we're going to be driving like 20-ish minutes. And Kate and CJ's going to be trying the Gixxer 750 for the first time, so it's going to be interesting. It's going to be definitely interesting. But yeah, we're going to hop up on this bitch. This big beluga. Holy shit, this thing's big as hell.
You're not used to setting that shit up.
It's not that, the fucking grip.
Yeah. Well, that's why we're gonna change it.
That shit's so annoying.
Manual labor.
Your brake feels like butt cheeks too.
Huh?
The brake feels like ass.
Yeah.
But alright, let's get it. Alright, first ride. Alrighty, you guys, first little ride. One thing that's clapped about this bike is the mirrors jingling. This shit moves. It's kind of a clapper, and this thing's loud as shit. Dude, that it feels like shit. But yeah, so it's like a little bit. I'm gonna kind of compare it to this 750-ish or another Z1000 I rode. My homie Z1000, but it's fully built. It has a whole bunch of stuff done to it. Has a lot of stuff done to it, so it's not really like a fair comparison. Oh, I don't have a gear indicator. It definitely has more torque, that's for sure. Haha. So far, I mean, it rides comfortable. I don't like how it gets speed wobble so fast. Oh my god, that's crazy. But you can shake it a little bit in the front end, it's so light. This mirror's doing absolutely fucking nothing. It's doing absolutely nothing. Hahaha. It feels kind of nice, you know, it's not too bad. What's up? definitely quick, that's for sure. It's not too bad. I don't like the sitting position at all. It's not too bad, you know. I mean, I'm just not a big fan of how these bars are, really. That's my only complaint. That's like my big complaint about this thing. Oh yeah, brother. But besides that, I mean, it seems like a pretty decent bike. I mean, for the price you pay, it's pretty good, but it needs some fixes. It's a little too clap for me. Yeah, guys, the Z1000 is not too bad. It's definitely not what I expected. At least this older generation is definitely not what I expected at all, to be honest with you. I think it would have to get a little bit, couple modifications and stuff like that. Plus, I don't trust these tires, really. And I'm hungry as hell. I can't wait to go fucking eat. Ow, what the hell is gonna hit my neck? Ouch. Keep having shit hit my neck. Somebody keeps fucking hitting my neck, bro. Rocks or some shit. Feels good to be home. Alright guys, YCG here, and we're going to be ending off the video. We're going to be ending the video for test riding the Z1000. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. It's nothing that crazy, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. And we'll be heading home, and yeah, it's been a very eventful day. So, alright guys, I love you guys. Make sure to check out the merch, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to the YCDG fam. Yeah, that's basically it.